Hello guys, so today I have new lights for my fleet, I guess. Usually I install the lights, headlights for my pickup truck, for any other cars, but I spend a lot of time is in a semi truck, Cascadia right here. So I got these lights right here. So basically it's four strips that you can change the color of it, or it can dance with the music. And so all truck is going to be lit, so or just floor or wherever I want to put it. I have a couple of ideas. So the brand is NILIGHT. Here is different colors and that stuff. Let's open the package, see what is inside there. So we have a package, looks like this. Have a remote, or you can also change on your cell phone. And here you go. Power cable, long cables to change places like where you want to put. So there is four lights. They're black color, nice big chips. I believe it's 50-50 size, long wires. Yeah, so here you go. You have to have a charging block, or every car nowadays have a USB plugs everywhere. So the cable is long, this is long. So also have a zip ties for the wires, and they also comes with the double side tape. Just peel the red and stick it in, but clean it first. So let's check out the little guide here. So here you go. It's kinda blurry here. So there is a how to install it right here, and here is a instruction how to change it with the remote. Pretty easy. It's like jumping positions. So let's see, it doesn't drain so much power. Output current 2 amps, so it's like nothing. So yeah, let's go and head and install it. Looks pretty easy. So it's gonna be nice and bright. So a couple of places under feet, left side, right side, maybe somewhere here too. All depends how big is wiring. But if you have just a regular car, truck, pickup truck, this is a plenty enough, because I installed like one of those in my other car, and it's a lot of wiring. So, and this one is where you have to kind of sticking out, so your remote can reach this black sensor, or you just use your cell phone. Yeah. Let's go ahead and install it. Right here, I can just glue it on and put the wiring somewhere there. Let's try this option. So the surface is nice and clean, and let's go ahead and get that double side. And stick it in, just like so. Holds really good. And let's tuck the wire and install on the other side and somewhere else too, and test it. Make sure to pull out what I got here. Okay, so I hide the wiring in a couple of places. Here is the final product. Of course that you can see the lights here and there, but it's all just depends what angle you're looking from. So let's choose the other colors. Whoops. So here another angle. Okay, so this is from top view. Let's go through some colors. Looking really nice. Driver passenger view. Nice, nice. Here's a view from lower level. You gonna throw it away?